Hi, it's Gaz here on the Gazworld motorcycle channel. Here I've got my NC30 Honda VFR 400R 1989 Japanese import. Managed to get this registered on an F1989 plate for the UK. These colours are the Type 1 colour. I've obviously fully restored. I've tried to keep it as original as possible with the fixings, and I've sympathetically restored and clean parts, or kept original parts. As you can see there, that's original exhaust. I've not gone to polish this yet. I've just had to put it out at a garage and get some sort of video going. That's the original seat, what I've had recovered. If you turn the seat other way around, it's been stitched exactly the same as the original seat, as Honda did. The bodywork on this bike has been done and professionally restored by Alex at Body Beautiful Cars, and as you can see, it's absolutely like glass. I've never seen bodywork like it in 30 years. It's absolutely stunning. I will put a link to his website and Facebook page in the description below. You've approximately got about 120, 130 millimetre of ground clearance on this bike, so it's not great. So people tend to use different suspension or make them as stiff as possible. Original black seat. I've managed to sew an original lock for the rear. All basically original. There's your F plate. Everything's been done in this bike. Front bearings, headset bearings, front fork seals, fully restored. Rear and front brakes have been done with seals, new pads. Wheels have been powder coated white. Everything has been done on this bike. The frame's been stripped down, aluminium primed and brought back to as near as original looking as you can get. This bike also but is a bonus because every panel on this bike is original with all the Honda stamps. As you can see, it's like immaculate. It's like perfect. The bodywork is absolutely immaculate. It's like glass. The only part that I have got to finish on this bike is just on the front gold calipers. I just had to put a couple of clamps on to release some of the pistons again, because it's been sat and I've damaged them. But since this video and as I'm talking, the front calipers have been redone. As you can see, it's not absolutely pristine on the aluminium and stuff, but I wanted to keep it original without vapor blasting it, you see. If you like bikes, motorbikes or restorations, please subscribe to my channel. I've also wrapped brand new tyres. I mean, this bike is a usable, immaculate bike. I've stripped and fully rebuilt everything. I also want to thank Rick Oliver for all the new parts. Again, I will leave a link to his website in the description. The two front indicators I managed to get from my guy in Germany, and he got original parts, original lenses, all painted blue, and they'd been sat in storage for 25 years. Brand new. where do you find these parts? Well, I managed to find them. Like I say, you can see my front caliper there. All new fork seals. You've got your discs there, which have sympathetically restored without repowder coating. The screen's not original, that's an aftermarket, but it's as good as you're going to get. The mirrors aren't original, and that's the only thing on the bike that's not, as far as I'm aware. I'm sure there'll be someone what corrects me otherwise, but I'm sure everything else is original. Oh, the brake lines aren't, and that's about your lot, I think. I've managed to get 2 brand new Honda grips, handlebar grips. When I stripped all this bike down, it were in pieces and the engine was out and everything. I rebuilt it all. I managed to get ignition, and it took me a whole day to find out that the bike had to be in neutral to get it started. So that's just a heads up. But all you experts out there will probably be watching this, what's refurbished these bikes before, they'll know that. I checked every fuse, checked all my fixings, everything, and still could not get it to fire. Got ignition, but the minute I pressed the button, it would just not fire. A simple thing like your switch on your gearbox, and straight away it fired up. I'll let you have a listen to it now. See what you think. Like I say, they're your original grips. $29,000 kilometers, which is I think 17 or 18,000 miles. I'm sure there'll be things that I've missed. Fires it first time, absolutely sweet as a nut. I mean, this bike is absolutely gorgeous. It's actually, when I first picked it up, it's been sat in storage for donkey's years. I did hear that somebody put it in his games room for several years. It was orange with gold wheels and black graphics all over it. It were in the old Repsol colours, but now she's back to true form and glory. She's absolutely stunning. So thank you, Alex, if you're watching. If you watch this, thanks very much for doing a tremendous job on the bodywork. Rick Oliver for the fasteners and fixings, which are all brand new and shiny. I've been Gaz at Gazworld. Please subscribe to my motorcycle channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.